Hello student, we continue the topic nutrition. In nutrition we discuss about nutrition we discuss about types of nutrition, and after that we describe holozoic nutrition. After holozoic nutrition we describe the saprobiotic. Second type of nutrition of heterotrophic nutrition is saprobiotic nutrition. Saprobiotic nutrition. In this type of heterotrophic nutrition, animal obtain its nutrition from dead and decaying matter. That means this type of nutrition, the animals or organisms obtain their food from dead and decaying matter. If you note down, in this type of nutrition animal obtained food from the dead and decaying matter. Dead and decaying organic substances. Organic substances. In this type of nutrition, animals secrete some enzyme from outside the body of the organic substances. That means organisms secrete enzymes in our outer environment, not in their inside the environment. This type of nutrition have a specific character. All the enzymes are secrete upon the organic substances, and the digestion it take place outside the body of the cell. In this type of nutrition, the animal secretes some enzymes from its body into external environment, which has organic substances. These digestive enzymes digest the organic substances outside the body. That means in this type of nutrition, the digestion is take place outside the body. Note down. In this type of nutrition, animal secretes the enzyme from its body into the external environment, into the external environment. Environment. That means the digestion take place outside of the body. These digestive enzymes, these digestive enzyme digest the organic food substances. These digestive enzyme digest the organic food substances. Saprobiotic nutrition is also known as saprobiotic nutrition is also known as heterotrophic absorptive nutrition. Heterotrophic absorptive nutrition. Heterotrophic absorptive nutrition. This type of nutrition is found in fungi, and most of the bacteria. After saprozoic or saprobiotic nutrition, we discuss parasitic nutrition. In parasitic nutrition, organisms obtain their nutrition from living organisms of other species. That means the organism obtain their food from other organisms of different species. Parasitic nutrition. Organisms obtain food from other living organism of other species are called parasite and mode of nutrition is called parasitism, parasitism. Organism, organism from which they get nutrition, is called host, is called host. That means the organism obtain their nourishment from other organism. The other organism is a host of that organism. Plant and animals both work as plant and animals both work as hosts. Parasite may be any kingdom. Parasite may be any kingdom like Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. Generally, parasite obtain food from obtain food and shelter both food and shelter both from the host. Causing disease are called parasites causing disease are called pathogen. Parasite causing disease is called pathogen. That means the parasite which causes disease of other organism is called pathogen. After that, we discuss types of parasite. After the parasitic nutrition, we discuss types of parasite. Only two types of parasites are found. Parasite are mainly two types. One is ectoparasite and other is endoparasite. Endoparasite. Ectoparasite and ectoparasite on the basis of presence of their host bodies. If they are found in outside of the body of host is called ectoparasite, and if they are found in inside the body of organism is called endoparasite. That means parasites are found either outside the body or inside the body, and they obtain their nutrition from the host cell or host body. The ectoparasite, if we define it, then if we defined it, ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite means outside the body, or that means the parasite who obtain their food by living outside of the host body, living outside of the host body. That means the organism or parasite who obtain their food by the living organism to outside of the body are called endoparasites. Are called ectoparasite. For example, head lice of the human body, nares, etc. are the ectoparasites. Organisms like mosquito obtain their nutrition from human being and other vertebrates. In plants, Cuscuta reflexa. In plant, Cuscuta reflexa. Is a chlorophyll-less flowering plant. Which obtain its food from other flowering plant. Which obtain its food from other flowering plants. It obtain food from other flowering plants. in the form of in the form of ectoparasite. Ectoparasite. After that, we discuss endoparasite. Endoparasite means the organism obtain their food from living body of host cell to inside. That means the organism or parasite present inside the body of the organism. So this type of nutrition or this type of parasite is called endoparasites. That means endoparasites who obtain their food by living inside the body of the host are called endoparasite. They may be protozoan, flatworm like tapeworm, liver fluke, roundworm, like Ascaris, Boucheria, etc. are the main endoparasites which found inside the host body. After that, ectoparasite and endoparasite, we discuss the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. The difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, organism synthesize its food from simple organic and inorganic substances. But in heterotrophic nutrition, organism not prepare their own food. The first difference is organism organism synthesized synthesize its food from simple organic and inorganic substances. In heterotrophic nutrition, they does not synthesize their food. In heterotrophic heterotrophic nutrition organism not synthesize their food. Second point, in autotrophic nutrition, light energy is required. In autotrophic nutrition, light is required. In autotrophic nutrition, light is required. In heterotrophic nutrition, in heterotrophic nutrition, light is not required because they obtain pre-prepared food, pre-prepared food. Ecologically, they are called as producer. Ecologically, they are called as consumer. They are called as consumer. For example, green plants and some bacteria. Example, all animals, fungi and some bacteria, etc. After discussing the nutrition, we discuss how do organisms obtain their nutrition. How do organisms organisms obtain organism obtain their food or nutrition Animal have a large diversity. They are obtain their food intake of food of different mode of nutrition. In different types of organism, different types of digestive system is found. Digestion in animals, holozoic nutrition complete in 5 steps, but in other, their digestion take place in outside of the body. In unicellular and multicellular organism, nutrition completed in 5 steps. In unicellular and multicellular organism, unicellular and multicellular organism, nutritions completed in 5 steps. One is ingestion, second is digestion, and third is absorption, fourth is assimilation, and last fifth is egestion. Organisms take their food or their nourishment, nutrition in 5 steps, where first we discuss ingestion. How defined it? We defined that ingestion is a process in which organism intake of food is called ingestion. The process of intake of food is called ingestion. Second, digestion. Digestion is the process by which complex food substances becomes available for absorption, by the body. Absorption by the body. Digestion is also defined as following. the process by which the process by which large complex large complex large complex and insoluble molecules and insoluble molecules insoluble molecules converted into small and simple soluble molecules with the help of digestive enzyme After that, third point is absorption. After digestion, simple products enter into the body by penetrating into the body by blood. After absorption, assimilation take place. In assimilation, absorbed food material in body is used in various ways.